Welcome! If you're looking to stay connected and keep the conversation flowing in your Pinterest group chats, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to reply to a text message in a group on Pinterest using your PC, all based on the latest update. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your Pinterest homepage. Here, you'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on the one labeled Messages. This is where all your private and group conversations are stored. After clicking on Messages, a list of your recent chats will appear. Scroll through this list and select the group chat you want to join. Simply click on the group's name and the chat window will open up on your screen. You'll see all the previous messages and can catch up on what you've missed. Now to reply to a specific message in the group, move your mouse over the message you want to respond to. As you hover over it, a few icons will appear next to the message. Look for the reply icon. It usually looks like a curved arrow or a speech bubble. Click on this reply icon, and you'll see a reply box pop up right below the message. Type your reply in the box. This is your chance to add your thoughts, answer a question, or keep the conversation going. Once you're happy with your message, click the Send button. Your reply will now appear in the group chat, linked to the original message, making it easy for everyone to follow the conversation. And that's it. You've just replied to a message in a Pinterest group chat on your PC. With this new update, staying organized and engaged in group conversations is easier than ever. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.